Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultra Bright Lights, and I am here with a brand new product from Feniex Industries. This is the all-new Feniex Down Lux, a adaptation of the very popular Feniex Wide Lux. The Down Lux now gives you a downward-facing scene light, perfect for your ambulance, fire truck, or similar apparatus. The Down Lux is available in a 7x3, 6x4, or 9x7, and it features 36 high-power 4-watt LEDs. Included in the box is, of course, the light, your mounting hardware, the chrome flange, and a rubber pad. Mounting the Down Lux is straightforward and works just the same way as the Wide Lux products. Simply drop your hex bolt into the hole, put the plate on top, secure it to the back of the light using the 2 included screws, and then using the nut and washer you can attach it to any surface that you want. Now keep in mind this is a scene light, so there are no flash patterns and no colors. White is the only color that this light comes in. And you'll see here how the light illuminates the area, and as I raise it up, it's going to spread out and illuminate a wider area. The Down Lux light meets or exceeds NFPA, KKK, and SAE specifications, so it's readily available and perfect for any apparatus. These are available on our website now and shipping. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a comment below. If you like this video, be sure to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.